Okay, great. Our P&L output sheet is nice and ready. Shall we fill it up? The numbers for the historical period have already been added. Let's start with H2 2018. First, we have revenue. As agreed, it is the sum of automotive and energy revenue. This gives us the company's total revenue. It is quite convenient we would have it here, and wouldn't have to jump to various sheets and do a sum every time we need to multiply or divide by revenue in our model. The same is valid for cost of sales as well. We can easily get the total value of cost of sales by summing automotive and energy cost of sales. The sum of revenue and cost of sales gives us profit. Then I'll link to operating expenses. Once we have taken into account OPEX, we arrive at EBIT. Awesome! Now we have the financials for the first and second half of 2018. Let's add a sum to obtain the figures for the full year 2018. That's easy to do. Our next step would be to fill in the numbers for the period between 2019 and 2028. All I have to do is copy the formulas we just created for the second half of 2018 and paste to the right. Worked like a charm, because we have used consistent blocks throughout the model.